All right, so if you want to create YouTube Shorts using AI, yeah, Pika AI can make this super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create short, engaging videos step by step. First, quick idea. Pika lets you generate short videos fast, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts content. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside, make sure you're creating vertical videos, since Shorts use a 9 by 16 format. Now write a short and clear prompt because shorts work best when they're simple and visually engaging. For example, a cinematic close-up of a glowing neon city street with smooth motion. Then click Generate, and Pika will create your short video. It might take a few seconds, so just wait. Make sure your video stays short. Just a few seconds is usually enough for shorts. You can also create multiple variations of the same idea and then pick the best one. Once you're happy with the result, download the video. And if needed, add text, captions, or music using any editing app. After that, upload your video as a YouTube short with a catchy title and vertical format. And yeah, the key here is consistency. Keep posting and testing different ideas. So yeah, using Pika AI for shorts can help you create content quickly and easily. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI content guides coming soon. All right, so